What's up, YouTube fam? Today we're celebrating the rock stars, the unicorns, the YouTubers who went from bedroom vloggers to bona fide YouTube royalty. Buckle up because we're diving into YouTube success stories that will inspire you, motivate you, and maybe even make you snort your coffee out loud. Let's face it, most YouTube journeys start a little rough. We're talking shaky camera work, questionable lighting, and enough ums and uhs to fill a swimming pool. But hey, that's part of the charm, right? Take someone like Mr. Beast. Their first videos, hilariously low budget. But guess what? They kept creating, kept refining their craft, and now they're practically synonymous with YouTube success. Finding your niche. But here's the thing, success really happens overnight. It's about finding your niche, the sweet spot where your passion collides with what viewers crave. Maybe you're a makeup maestro who can transform faces like a digital wizard, or perhaps you're a gaming guru with ninja-like skills. The key is to find something you love and where there's an audience hungry for the content. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention that I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I'm doing right now. And you do not have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those that may be interested. There is a webinar that's totally free to check it out. Okay, let's dive back in. Another successful YouTuber with a clear niche was Lisa Koshy for comedy, who built a massive following with her hilarious skits and relatable humor. She carved out her niche, delivered high-quality content, and the rest is history. Now, success stories don't write themselves. It takes dedication, folks. Uploading consistently is crucial. Viewers crave regular doses of your awesomeness. But consistency doesn't mean boring. Don't be afraid to experiment. Have fun. Even poke fun at yourself sometimes. Another successful YouTuber known as Mark Robber, the master of epic science experiments with a healthy dose of goofiness. His ability to entertain while educating is a huge part of his success. Don't forget to like this video if you've learned something new and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. The power of community. Here's the beautiful thing about YouTube. It's a community. You're not just creating content, you're building a connection with your viewers. Respond to comments, host live streams, and show your audience you appreciate them. Look at successful YouTuber known for audience interaction like Sean Dawson, who built a loyal following by truly connecting with his viewers. Beyond the views, the impact of success. But YouTube success isn't just about views and subscribers, it's about the impact you can make. Many creators use their platform to raise awareness for important causes, inspire others, or even donate to charity like Mr. Beast with his philanthropy streams. So there you have it, a glimpse into the journeys of YouTubers who made it big. The truth is, anyone with a passion and a phone can start their own YouTube adventure. Will you be the next YouTube success story? There's only one way to find out. So grab your camera, hit record, and create something amazing. Stick around and check out other videos on my channel for further valuable content.